If you're on this page, chances are that you're seeking to transition from 9 to 5 to tech, and we are here to help you accomplish that in just 6 months. Have you ever wondered why tech innovators lead the web rankings in recent times? It's simply because tech skills are the new currency nowadays, whether you believe it or not. Businesses all over the world thrive on technological advancement, and trust me, you don't want to be left out. And guess what? You don't need to be a coding expert or spend years in school to cash in on this digital revolution. So, I'm here to introduce you to the LearnWithPride Tech Career Fastlane. At LearnWithPride, we are not your typical coding bootcamp, but we are your fast track to a rewarding career in tech, designed for people just like you. Either you're starting from scratch or looking to switch careers. Some of our available courses include data analysis, digital marketing, project management, data science, database engineering, Scrum Master, software testing, just to name a few. So, here is what you get. Number 1, industry expert instructors guiding you every step of the way. Number 2, real world projects that boost your confidence. Number 3, you get one-on-one mentorship to keep you on track. Number 4, interview preparation that gets you hired. Number 5, job placement support so you can land that role you deserve. So, it's time to go from beginner to job ready in under 6 months. Our unique approach means you can skip the years of traditional education and go straight into a high-paying tech career. You'll be learning what's in demand right now, the skills that employers are actively looking for. You can get a free sneak peek if you're curious about it. Join our no-cost overview session to find out about the top tech skills employers can't hire fast enough, how our students are landing jobs paying them thousands of dollars per month within weeks of finishing with us, and finally why traditional degrees can't keep up in today's tech-driven world. So, stop settling for less if you're stuck in a job that doesn't excite you or doesn't pay what you deserve. This is your chance to make a change. Your future in tech awaits. Click the link below to reserve your spot now for our free session and see how easy it is to start your journey. I can't wait to see you on the journey. Till then, stay blessed.